They say dog is a man's best friend. Well, in this video, I'm gonna put that to the test by finding out if my dog can put up with me for an entire day. That's right. We're gonna do some stuff that he likes, some stuff that I like, and hopefully some stuff we both like. But we're gonna get things started off here with a morning walk. Alright guys, so we finished up with that morning walk. Now the little guy's having his breakfast. I figure I might as well have mine. It's only fair, right? So I prepared myself a bowl of protein oats. So just to show you guys really quick, that's what it looks like there. And I promise it tastes a lot better than it probably looks visually. But yeah, to make this, I used 1 cup of oats, 1 scoop of protein powder. Now, you can use whatever flavor you like. I use vanilla because for me, vanilla doesn't overpower it, but it's your taste buds and you're the one eating it, so if you like chocolate, by all means, use chocolate. I'm not going to sit here and tell you not to. But I also added a cup of fresh blackberries and 1 tablespoon of extra creamy peanut butter. Now, there's a few reasons why I use extra creamy peanut butter. Number 1, it's peanut butter. I love it. And number 2, this is actually 10 calories less per tablespoon than regular peanut butter. And because it's extra creamy, it actually breaks up the denseness of the oats and the protein powder. And speaking of denseness, that's the last thing I want to mention. When you're making this, make sure you use a lot of water. I used about 1.5 to 2 cups. And the reason for that is when you add the protein powder to the oats, it'll just become a giant clump if you don't use enough water. So yeah, don't be shy to add a little bit extra water. But anyways, I'm going to dive in here because I'm pretty hungry. So let you know how it is. Yeah, see, the other reason I like the berries is the juice from the berries actually adds a little bit extra to the oats. So just out of curiosity, guys, let me know in the comments below what your favorite breakfast food is. Pancakes, French toast, oatmeal, just eggs. Let me know in the comments. And if you're feeling a little adventurous, don't be shy to add a little bit extra of that peanut butter if you so desire. Well, it's gonna be really dry, but I just got a really delicious scoop of giant peanut butter in with these oats. Alright, so I got one more bite here. Just trying to get all these berries on the spoon. That's pretty much it. Alright. Alright, so that's all done. Next up, we're gonna hit the road. Got a few stops on the way. No spoilers though. Gonna be a fun one. So I'll see you in a little bit. Alright guys, so quick update. Want to just jump on here and share with you guys what me and this little dude have been up to for the past little while. So made a few pit stops as you guys saw from the shots. First of which was PetSmart to grab a new toy for this gentleman here. Because you know he doesn't have enough. Yeah, he's got a lot of toys. But yeah, I got a tug of rope, brand new rope for us to play with later. I think I tug this end and he pulls that in. Yeah, that's how tug of war works. But yeah, let's see if you... Tucker, you want to play? No, not in the car. But he's definitely going to enjoy this later. Second stop, one of the absolute best places in the world that both he and I love to go. That's right, Tim Hortons. Woohoo! So I got an old-fashioned plain Timbit for this guy, and an old-fashioned plain donut for myself. Yeah, that got your attention, huh? So I'm going to enjoy this, he's going to enjoy that, and we're both going to enjoy them together. All right, so, of course, I got to let this guy go first. All right, Tucker, you want a Timbit? Good job. Whoa. Just take it right on my hand, eh? Yeah, I know you're going to get more. Don't worry. A little piece. That's the only difference between you and I, Tucker. You eat them in pieces. Well, you'd eat the whole thing if I gave it to you, but I don't want you to choke. And I just devour it within like 2 bites. Squish this up. Last bite. Ooh. There he goes. That's it. All right, my turn. Cheers. That's so good. Seriously. I know I've asked this before, but let me know in the comments below what your favorite kind of donut is. If you like donuts, which, come on, everybody loves donuts. There's just something about the old-fashioned plain, and especially when it's like fresh because it's a cake donut. You get that like middle section here. Just no! It's like crusty. It's like almost like a kind of like a croissant when you bite it. Like that. So good. I know. Here. You get the last bite, okay? No, please? There you go. Yeah, I know. Alright, so since we fueled up, might as well go put that energy to good use and go crush a nice little midday workout. What do you think? Yeah. This one, though, it's going to have a little bit of a twist to it. Oh yeah, it's going to be fun. Stay tuned. All right, you guys, just want to jump on here one last time real quick as we're winding things down for the day. As you can see, the little guy behind me here is pretty much down for the count, and I'm probably not too far behind him, to be honest. But anyways, that is going to be a wrap for this video. So as always, thank you so much for watching. I genuinely appreciate it. Please just remember to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Toss this video a good old-fashioned thumbs up if you liked it. And be sure to hit that channel bell for notifications so you never miss a new video of mine. Yeah, he's still out. And we'll see you in the next video.